Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can compress any file or any folder by using WinRAR. So it's very simple. For example, in my case I have a folder right here in front of you. I will compress that folder by using WinRAR. What you have to do, you simply have to right click on that folder or file, then you have to click on WinRAR, the option right here. Then you have to click on add to new folder RAR. In your case, the name will be changed, like whatever the file name or folder name will be appear here. Then you simply have to click on that. Then it takes few seconds according to the file size. It's depend on your file size and the speed of your computer. Then it will convert that file into RAR file. Then you can simply send it, or you can simply save it. It's totally up to you. Whatever you want, you can do it. So that's how you can convert or compress any file by using WinRAR. So it's very simple, very easy. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.